Hello friends, in this video we will be discussing about a very important concept, that is pointer. So first of all, what pointer is? So we can say here pointer is a special type of variable. It's a variable itself. We already discussed about what is variable and so pointer is just a special type of variable. Now we might have question okay, why it is a special, what is special in it? So generally, if we declare any variable like this integer a, then this a will be storing the value. So more or less all the variables declared like this integer, float, character or any sort of data type we have used, it stores the value. Whereas in the case of pointer, so it is special. Why? Because it stores the address of another variable. So why pointer is special? Because it stores the address of another variable. So in place of storing values like this, it will be storing the address. So that's why this pointer is a special type of variable. Now the next thing is, what is the syntax? How to declare a pointer variable? So we need to write the data type. Then we need to mention asterisk sign and then the variable name. So this is how we can able to declare a pointer variable. So example we can see here, integer, it's a data type, asterisk sign and p. So it means that this is a pointer p. So here we have two operators. One is asterisk star, that means it is data, and second is ampersand and that is address. So whenever I will be using AND, the meaning is it is what? It is address. Whenever I have written asterisk, it means it is presenting data. So if I write AND A, so meaning is what? Address of A. And when I write star P, it means that data on P. So before we dive into pointer, we need to just check out, or we need to just need to have clarity about this. Asterisk means data and means address. So you can recall one thing, in scanf statement we used to write like this, percentage %d and a. So the meaning here is whatever the value will be getting from user, that will be stored on address of a. So and return, here and is return, it means that address of a. So asterisk is data and is address. So pointer is declared like this, integer star p, or we can say integers asterisk p. So it is known as integer star p. So this is pointer of integer type. Now very important is how we can able to refer a normal variable using a pointer variable. So for that we have declared a pointer variable here. We have declared a normal variable. What will happen over here when this statement gets executed? In memory there will be a block created, that one is as p because one is pointer variable. Another, the name of that block will be where, and the size of both will be 2 bytes because since both are integer. Address, so we assume that the address of this is 1010, address of this is 1020. This is assumed, this is not a real address, this is just the assumed value. Now we have written where equals to 10. Where equals to 10 means we are assigning value 10 to this variable. So here we can able to write 10. Very important stage is that since pointer stores the address of another variable, we need to write like this, p equals to and where. This is our variable name and the meaning of and is address of. So the meaning is address of where will be given to p. So what is address of where? So this is our where variable and the address of that particular variable is 1020. So here it will store 1020. So now you can see the clear difference. This is pointer variable, so it is storing the address. This is a normal variable which is storing value, so that this pointer is a special variable which stores the address. I hope you are clear. Now when we print it, so when we print the value of where, we have just written where, so it will be printing 10 on the screen. But if I print P. So the value of P is what? It is 1020. So it will be printing 1020 on the screen. But this is not expected. We are expecting this value is to be printed. So for that, if you want to access the value through which like it is which pointer is pointing, so we need to write star P. Star P means what? Data on P. Now just we try to understand this. So I will keep star as it is. The value of P is what? 1020. So I will be writing here 1020. So now if you read this means data. Data on 1020. Now you just see what is data on 1020. So this is 1020 and the data on 1020 is 10. So that's why it will print 10 on the screen. So I hope you are clear that when we write star P, it will be printing 10. How? So it will be printing 10 like this. When you write star, it means data and the value of P is 1020. So 1020 is here. So data on 1020 that is 10. And likewise, it can able to print the value of a normal variable which is referred by a pointer. So this is very important step. We need to refer a normal variable. We need to assign the address of a normal variable to a pointer variable, and then after by writing star P you can able to access the value of that normal variable. So I hope you all are clear about this concept. Thank you for watching the video.